All eyes will be on the state capitol today as Governor Josh Green delivers his third State of the State address.
It begins at 10 this morning. Chris Latronic joins us now live from the Capitol with a preview. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning to you, Sarah, Sam, and everybody on this Aloha Tuesday. Yes, big days here at the legislation where we had opening day last week, and now the work needs to be done, all with the big State of the State address that Governor Josh Green will be giving at 10 a.m. today. You can watch it live right here on our station. But with a preview, we have Makana McClellan, who's the Director of Communications for the Office of the Governor. Good morning to you, Makana. Big day today, huh?
Very big day.
A little bit.
So, today this is the governor's third State of the State address. And as I had shared earlier, this gives him an opportunity to really update the public on his bold initiatives. I'm going to go back. He started in office in 2022 and he proposed very bold initiatives. If we recall, he signed an emergency proclamation in his first State of the State. And I think, throughout the last 2 years, we've noticed an unprecedented partnership between state and city, and that's been hugely instrumental in tackling these issues that have plagued our communities for decades upon decades. And so healthcare is obviously, if not Gov. Josh Green, who else would prioritize healthcare? And what we'll see is $30 million invested in the HELP program, which assists in loan repayment for healthcare professionals. That'll target about 900 healthcare professionals. And surely that should help address the physician shortage we're experiencing in Hawaii. Our governor always says that housing is healthcare, right? And so, sort of the flip of that is that we lack healthcare professionals because we don't have enough affordable housing. So a lot of his priorities kind of feed into each other. The other thing you'll see is $96 million investment in new healthcare infrastructure. And notably, that's going to be major upgrades to rural hospitals. And so now we do not have layers upon layers that prevent others just because of where they live, and you live in North Shore. This will give everybody equal access and better access to the healthcare services that they deserve. And so again, you'll see a governor today who's been very grateful of the collaboration with city, state, private partnerships, and he'll express his aloha for everyone for helping.
Yes, and speaking of aloha, I know it's a big tax break that he's looking to give to lots of residents. What are the details when it comes to that?
So the tax break is Hawaii's largest tax break ever in its history, and that is by 2031. 40% of Hawaii households will no longer pay taxes, meaning zero state income taxes.
That is incredible. What are other things that are on the governor's radar as we head into 2025?
Obviously Maui recovery, wildfire recovery is top of mind, and being a good neighbor and partner as we witness and our hearts ache for those in LA. And then it goes without saying that illegal fireworks has recently come top of mind with the Aliumanu accident and many others, or incident, Kalamai. And so the governor is leading with compassion on those issues and relying on partnerships to help improve our system so that we prevent unnecessary incidents as such.
Makana McClellan, Director to the Governor, thank you so much for everything that you do. And we appreciate that preview that you're going to see more at around 10 a.m. where we'll be live streaming the State of the State address. So go ahead and watch it on KHON2 and KHON2.com. This is Chris Latronic working for Hawaii live from the Rotunda at the Hawaii State Capitol. Sending things back to you.